So for some weird reason due to YouTube, I had to split this video into two parts. None of the knowledge is lost. I do hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let's jump right into it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, jumping into the second setup. This is USDCHF. As you can see, this setup is a little bit different from the one we had previously on GBPUSD. So I'm going to explain the mindset, the process, and how I took this trade, why I took this trade. As usual, keeping it tight here, Playboy Trading. I will show you how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and yeah, let's jump right into it. So based off of the 1 hour time frame, we see that price is clearly in an uptrend. This is a very strong uptrend. And if you were to pull your trend line from the bottom of the trend to the very top, you will notice that, well, it is in an uptrend, but it has been going up for a very long time. Chances are price is looking to turn back down, but there has been no certainty here yet. So we cannot judge from just this that, oh, price is about to reverse. But at least we have a hint. If you use indicators like the RSI, the MACD, you can check for a divergence on this section of price. You can check for a divergence here to know, oh, okay, price is about to turn, but nothing certain. As far as price has not gone below this line right here, there is no change of bias. So originally we are upside. Now let's move into the next segment. Now we are not really currently concerned about this whole thing. Yes, we know that price on the upside, which means we should be looking for buys. But you notice I took a sell side position on that market. Let's observe the structure involved, because no matter what you trade, structure is the most important thing, right? So higher time frame, key level. So first of all, we're going to have to get our key level like so. And on the key level, what do we see? We see that price broke out. Now, as of this morning, I'm going to point this out. As of this morning, this section of price never existed. All we had was this breakout, this pullback candle, and this somehow looking exiting candle, right? Good. Have that at the back of your mind. So drop to our 5 minutes, which is our structural time frame as usual. We want to observe what is price doing here, why is this formation going on, and then if we come back, you would see we have a clear uptrend. Now there are people who would have capitalized on this uptrend, true, but our strategy that we are using is not all about trying to catch the trend early on. Rather, we're trying to catch trades that have a level of certainty. Now structure here, I'm sure you'll be wondering, why did I put structure there? Why did I put structure there? Why did I count that place as a high? Why did I count that as a high? I'll explain that to you in a minute. So walk with me. If you look here, right, you see that we had a high here. We had where boom. We had a high here. We had another high here. We had another high here. We had another high here. Now, overall in this sequence, price was still up. It was still pushing upside. Okay. Now, this high here, this place that looks like a high, like I said, high, low, counted this high, a low. You will notice that price took out this high. Why did price take out this high? Look closely. Look closely at this chart. You will notice that this is a rejection here. This right here is known as a rejection candle. And as such, price is simply rejecting that point. So it's a manipulation. Price went there to pick up what other people, institutional traders would call liquidity, right? So this here, basically, this section here, basically was a trap. But we are not going to concern ourselves with that because we did not wake up to meet that part of price, right? Yeah. So now we had this high and price moved up, came back down. This was a run on price. Price pulled back down and broke structure here. Price broke out, retested right here. This was our retest right here. The goal of our trading here is to make everybody profitable. So I'm going to take my time to explain why certain things are certain way. so you clearly understand the condition of the chart right now. So on this retest here, you can take a shot from here. Nothing wrong with taking a shot from here, right? But we missed it as of this morning. Rather, when I came to the chart this morning, I noticed this pullback here, right? Yes, this pullback. But with that, you would see that price did not break above structure. And so when price came here, I said to myself, wow, if price is not breaking structure, what is going to happen? Now, we had our candle formation right here. This is a reversal candle formation. This is what they call the morning star. I don't know what some of you will call it nowadays, but this is what they call a morning star candle formation. And so I went to the lower time frame. I dropped to the 1 minute time frame and I found this setup right here. And this is what blew my mind, right? Looking at this, this is a very tight. No, very few people think of this, but let me show you. Price put up with a high, a low, a new high, a new low. Exhaustion of bulls in the market is a break of structure. But it looks like a rejection, you will say. Well, yes, and that's why we are not jumping in immediately. So, if you look here, you will notice price gave us an exit momentum, an exit candle right here. Now, one could argue you could wait for a break and retest. And as you can see, price indeed retested. But I did not wait for the break and retest. The moment I got my exit candle, I took my short position. And that was what I showed you earlier on in the video. I took my short position from this point, right? And I went for my 1, 2, 3. Very interesting risk to reward ratio, if you would ask me. It doesn't matter the time frame you are using. 1 to 3 is one of the best risk reward ratio out there. And as you can see, I hit my TP right before price decided to, you know, clear out everybody in the street. So that is the trade breakdown. That is how I took the trades. This is USDCHF, and that is how I won 6% profit today in the market. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, share, invite your friends. Let us grow together in this channel. My name is Frederick, but I work here at Playboy, and I thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.